The Kanban board is a visual workflow management system that helps teams stay organized, efficient, and focused. As you can see on the screen, tasks are divided into different columns based on their current status, such as to do, in progress, not started, and completed. This layout gives users a clear, real-time overview of project progress. You can easily drag and drop tasks from one stage to another as work progresses. Each task card displays key information like title, priority, assignee team member, and deadline. This helps team members know exactly what needs to be done and when. Click the Add New button at the top right to open a form and create a task by entering the task title, task status, task progress, team member, and date range. To edit a task, simply click the edit icon on the board, update the details as needed, and save your changes. They'll reflect instantly, keeping your workflow seamless and up to date. Also, you can delete or duplicate your task card. That's how simple and effective the Kanban board is.